Our next guest singer is a protege of Lana and a rising star with a very bright future. Lana joins the modern era scene, one of my favorites, Stormy Weather. Wow, that was a top drawer performance of a really great song. Thanks, Lana, and good luck in your career. Here we go.